Well, I honestly do hate these beginning questions. The one Z test, one sample T test.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
I hate them.
In an article in the Journal of Small Business Management.
Okay. All right. So, should be the question.
Mm,
I got G, which is test of one proportion.
test on proportion. What was the chi-square test? I don't remember that one.
That's not right. That's not right.
Yeah, I was gonna say I don't think it's that one.
No, sorry. That's what I had on my review. I forgot that last time with the review, they changed up which one. Okay, it's supposed to be test of two proportions. That's what I got.
Okay.
And the reason I got that is because it's comparing categorical data. So high school, undergraduate degree, master's degree, doctoral degree, categorical data. So we know if it's categorical data, not quantitative, that it's going to be one of the proportion tests.
Gotcha.
Or the chi-squared test. Or the chi-squared test, however you say it. I think it's chi-squared test. So, and we know that it's using the US and Korea, so that's two different proportions, so that's why I got that. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anybody got something different?
I was gonna. I mean, I might be completely wrong, but I was gonna go lean more with the chi-square test because there's like two. Wait, what?
That's Walker.
Oh, okay.
Sorry about that.
I mean, you might be right, but because they don't give us a lot of data.
Data. Yeah, so there's a different set of data. There's like the data for the US and data for Korea now.
But I assume because they didn't give us. But you're making a good point, though.
I don't know. Let's go with the test of two proportions because I mean that one does make sense to me as well. And then if we get it wrong, we can come back and fix that.
Yeah, because I think you might be right in hindsight, but we can.
I just remember because I was looking that up right now, and I just remember that it was like the chi-square part was just like two data that are being.
Yeah, I think we should change it to chi-squared or whatever they call it. I honestly do. I think that makes more sense because it's going to track multiple data points. You're right. It's going to track. It's the 2 plus the 4 different master's degree, doctoral degree.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So that would be more chart wise. So.
And looking at the Excel document, she makes more sense too.
Yeah.
Okay.
I completely agree.
Okay.
Chi, chi, whatever that is.
Yeah, I don't know.
I got independent sample t-test, so D.
Yeah, because it doesn't specify if they're male or female. It's independent.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. That would make sense, yeah.
Okay.
It does make sense. Okay.
To compare the effect of two different goals.
I got. I got test of one proportion. It's quantitative. It's categorical data, not quantitative.
Right.
Yep.
So that's what I got.
Okay. Yeah, man, these questions confuse me so much.
Yeah, I hate them.
Easy to get turned around on, or
so what I try to look for is like this
categorical or quantitative.
Categorical, quantitative, and then from there, like what groups are being sampled, and then okay, if it's just one group, do we know the standard deviation, or if we know like the standard, like the normal standard deviation?
Yeah, but it's one group and 2 logs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly. So that's kind of how I started breaking it down.
proportion and not 2? I'm asking because I hate these questions.
Why is it 1 proportion and not 2? Hang on.
Yeah.
Actually, I think I did get that one wrong again too. Sorry, I'm again looking off my notes from previous
Would it be
things.
2? Because there's 2 locks. I'm just guessing. I don't really know. So
I don't know if it's going to be 2 because they're just comparing. We know what the proportion for heavy like that, just the standard proportion for males is.
yeah.
In the population. So I think we're really just checking the heavy gamblers.
Okay, 'cause it's not
That's what I think it is. That's what,
Yeah.
If it had mentioned something about like either females or some other class, at that point, would it be 2?
yeah, at that point it would be 2. Like, so they were checking like what's the ratio for like males and females compared to like something like that, or
Wouldn't that be independent then?
no, that yeah, but the test of 2 proportions, they don't have to be. There's not paired or independent samples.
Oh, it's not. Okay. Sorry. I just making sure I understand because
No, you're
I'm
right.
up like crazy.
I'm praying and fasting they don't have these questions on the test.
They are totally. That just sucks. But.
Okay. I mean, I'll go with you, Zach. It makes sense how you explain it. So
Okay.
we got 3 more of them. So let's keep this going.
I see them compare the effectiveness of 2 different combination lines. I use paired samples, is what I believe it is.
Sorry, I'm still reading.
Oh, that might be independent though.
I think it's independent. Wouldn't it be independent?
That's I'm trying to decide. Like, and that's what I debated going back and forth. Like, it's either because this is where it gets hazy for me because, like, we know one lock, then you're going to use the other lock. But I guess it doesn't matter. I guess the specific lock it uses isn't going to be determined, right? That's what would make it independent. Because it's not like couples, right? They're not pre-paired.
Yeah. So it would be independent then.
Well, the only thing that makes I say if we get it wrong, then we can go back through all 40 questions and we'll probably get more than one wrong though. So
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we will.
So you guys are talking about number 6, right?
5.
Oh, you're
Five
still on
is
5.
Wait, so what are you
So
putting?
you guys,
I say we try independent sample t-test.
Okay, yeah, that's what I said too.
that's what I was thinking at the beginning, but I'm all confused.
Well, yeah, again, this like the independent and paired gets a little confusing with stuff. Some the way they phrase it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we still got more of these.
Yeah.
Bank employs 2 appraisers.
Sounds awesome.
Borrowers.
Yes.
I got independent samples.
That's what I got as well.
Yep. Wall Street Journal articles, section.
Everybody go with 6?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, independent, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
I got confidence intervals for two proportions because it's two groups. This one's pretty simple.
Makes sense. Yeah.
And it's proportions because it's categorical. Is that why?
Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
Okay. I agree.
So like figuring out the categorical or quantitative is like the biggest step. Like
Yeah.
it cuts it almost in half. It cuts it, limits it to like 3 choices, to 4 or 5, whatever. Not terrible. All right. Double stacked Oreos are ours. So I think this one is one sample T confidence interval.
That's what I was gonna say.
So I think it's this one. My only thing is because it might imply that we know what the regular Oreo filling is. And I think if we knew that, then we could think it was a Z, but it doesn't state it at all. So I'm like, I think it's a
So it's a T, yeah.
Yeah, then it's a T
I
score.
agree. I was gonna say T.
Okay.
One sample T confidence interval.
So
What do you
T.
guys think?
You guys agree with T then?
Yeah.
Yeah,
What
that's
do
what
you
I think. A one sample T.
Yeah, one sample T.
Yep.
Yeah, man. Dude, I'm gonna be honest. I mean, I know it's question 8 barely, but my brain's already fried. I hate that.
I hate when they give us the test at the beginning of the week instead of the end. I
Yeah.
feel like it comes way too fast.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm good with 8. I would say it's T as well.
Okay, cool. All right. 9, I have A. And I'm like fairly confident that's the correct answer. I want to say I had that for one of my questions recently in a test, and I got that right.
Against level of hype test.
Yeah, that's right.
That would make sense.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna go with you guys because I'm not exactly sure, but I'll look it up after this test to make
Yeah,
sure.
I'm pretty sure we had that one almost exactly on something we've done in the recent history or recent past.
I don't remember. Okay, cool.
So 10, I got D.
Yeah, that's what I was just gonna say.
Yeah.
Yeah, I suppose you can. Get 10. Oh, I hate these questions.
Oh, me too.
Hold on.
Yeah, they're rough.
Something like
Oh, come on.
Is it D? No.
I got D. There's
Is
a
it D?
95.
That's what I said. But
Yeah, I believe it's D. This is the
okay.
question that I get most confused, but I'm pretty sure it's D.
Yeah, because I'm pretty sure there's a question like this on the last test, and I'm pretty sure I got it wrong.
Yeah.
Me too. Me too.
E makes more sense for me. I'll go with you guys because A doesn't make any sense. B doesn't make any sense.
95 of all 95 confidence. Yeah, it's between the last two.
Yeah. I would say
But
it's
we're
C
not
or
looking
D.
at data, we're looking at the chance. So, yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, let's go with D.
Okay.
I know it's not. I know it's not C because we're not. When we do those tests, we're looking for the true mean. We're looking for the mean. We're not looking for the data. So I am aware of that because the data could fall anywhere in the time and like in a frame. So I know we're looking for them. That's what I do know. So yeah.
What, do you have a equipment checklist for the scissor lift?
All right. Questions.
But what did he say?
Oh, he's at work.
Oh, he is.
Yeah.
I was gonna be like, wait,
Okay.
why are we ignoring him?
He's in his truck. So yeah, we're just gonna. All right.
Okay.
Okay. So
100 adults from town western states determine the portion of the stock market assumed.
I got 0.30 for the first answer.
Yeah, that one's easy.
Yeah, that one's easy.
Okay.
Mhm.
Standardization.
But you guys said 0.30, right? Yeah, that's
Yeah.
standardization.
Okay. Let me look up here what I
Now,
have.
what's the equation for standardization? I forgot. Let me check.
It's P hat minus P divided by
Yeah.
hold on, wait, the standard deviation. Sorry, it's P times 1 minus P
1 minus
divided
Yeah.
divided by N and then square root that
Which is
answer.
100.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so that is question 12. I get for 12. 12. I
I got 0.046. Maybe I'm wrong though.
I think that's what I got too. I'm pulling things up. Where's my phone at? My phone. Lost.
Yeah, that's what I got. 0.046.
Yeah. I'll be right back, guys. I left something. I gotta go get it.
Is everyone still on?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. I think
Yeah,
it's just us. I don't know where you're from.
No, he said he was gonna get something real quick.
Oh, it was already said because I didn't hear him.
Yeah, he said he'll be right back.
Did you get 0.046?
Yeah.
Okay.
For the standard deviation, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the next one. What is that asking for?
What did you guys get for 14?
Oh no, we're just talking about
0.046. Oh,
was that?
for 14?
Yeah.
Sorry, we didn't do 14. We were waiting for you for 13.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
what's playing random sample.
Did you get 0.046?
13.
I believe that's what I got. Yeah.
Yeah, for 13.
Yeah.
Yeah, for 13.
Okay, sorry. Okay, then we can move on to 14.
Okay.
What is 14 asking exactly? Maybe I'm just being dumb, but
Hold on.
Okay. So where did I figure this one out at?
This one's the p-value, is it?
Okay, no, it's not the p-value because it's changing the p. So what did I do for this? Suck. Oh. Sorry, guys. I just closed down my Excel sheet on accident. I had a random sample of 100 adults. Okay, so what I did is I put all this stuff in the applet. I put some information in the applet. So what did I do? So it was like 100.
oh, you found the
Yeah.
0.0.
I found the p-score if you did it by 25. So
The p-score, the which one?
yeah, so I did 25. So on the Excel sheet, I put in 25 as X, 100 as N. I changed the confidence level stays at 95. Then I did the null hypothesis at 0.3. That's when the null hypothesis would have been.
Mm-hmm.
And then I did less than, and then you use that p-value. So you change the parameter, like the inputs that we've been given, and so that gets us
0.138.
138, yeah.
Does that make sense why we did that?
Okay.
Because if 30 people got 30%, then 25 people or 25% of the portion less than that. Make sense?
It's less.
Yep.
Yeah, so it'd be 0.5549. So 0.555.
Wait, why were you saying that?
Is that so? What is the answer you're getting? Are we getting the
We're getting
0.138?
138, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Sorry. That makes sense.
Okay.
I went a step farther.
Hey, not to break you down too bad, but so I don't get too far behind, I had to jump
No.
off there at question 12. What was that? What was that mean of the distribution of sample proportions on 12? I wasn't with you guys there when you did it. And I don't want to get too far behind here.
It was 0.30.
Okay.
Yeah. So
So it's
p
just
hat equals p. So when
Yeah.
p is 30, then p hat's going to be 0.30.
Okay. Yeah, no, thank you. Appreciate it. All right, let's.
Did you get 13 and 14?
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Okay.
No, I had those pulled up and doing them, but I missed that 12 with you guys.
Oh, you're
All right.
good. Keep crushing.
Okay, so
Okay.
two groups, two proportion.
Okay. So
4-2.
Sixty-one,
156.
6, 15, 579. Okay.
Okay, what the heck? So we doing 579.
Mm-hmm.
What in the world? Are you guys using two proportion?
Yeah.
That's what I
So
have
I'm just
pulled
trying,
up. Yeah.
I'm trying to get the confidence interval.
What type of test would it be? That's what I'm trying to figure out.
It's gonna be two. It's gonna be two proportion.
No, I know that. I'm saying on the two sample proportion, what type of test? And the type of test, is it greater than, less than?
Right now, I just did less. That doesn't matter for the margin of error.
Oh, that's
That,
true.
that only matters for the p-value.
True.
So I got as the margin as the margin of error is 0.032. That's what I got.
0.032.
That's what I got. Let me double check that.
How'd you get that? Yeah.
14, 30, 15.
Well, yeah, you
That's-
average the two, right?
That should be. Yeah. So what? No. So what you can average the two, or you can just take one minus the other one, and you should get the same thing. So.
What's that? Make sure I got the right. Not that I don't do. You got 0.029?
No.
I got 0.032 is what I got. So if you have 0.029 minus 0.032, you're going to get negative 0.003. If you have that, and if you have that, and then you add 0.032, then you're going to get 0.029.
Dude, what did you put in your two sample Z test? I think I might have put it in wrong, maybe, or something.
So you know what we should start as is saying I got as for my lower bound in the confidence interval is negative 0.003, and my upper is 0.029. That's what I got for the upper and lower, and so that's what I use to find the
So I got 0.06 this time. So was it
0.06.
Did you do 15 Did you do 15 for
Anybody else?
X1 and X2, but 161?
Okay, so I used.
I'm just saying, what did you put in the inputs?
Okay, so X1 is 61, N1 is 1563. Oh, you know what? No, that's right. And then X2 is 15, and then N2 is 579. Anybody do something different than I did? Did I do something wrong?
No, I was. Hold on. I need to pull up my charts again because they just closed out.
I'm just, yeah. So 61 is X1, N1 is 1563, right?
61 and then 1563. Yeah.
And then 15 and 579.
Yes. And then confidence interval
Confidence.
95.
Okay.
And then what's your
Is the one 0.003
yeah, negative 0.003. Mm-hmm.
and then 0.029.
Yeah, that's what I got. I from what I understand, I'm doing this right. If somebody has
So
a
what did
different,
you get for the margin of error? I got 0.095 for margin of error.
I got 0.023.
And that's just me doing it like I'm just doing it like we used to. You know how you get to take the average of 2 and then you subtract it?
For some reason, like when it comes to negatives, it gets a little like iffy. So I got
Really?
0.032, and I feel pretty confident in that number because if I take the upper confidence interval and I minus 0.032, then I get negative 0.003. And then if I take negative 0.003 and I add 0.032, then I get the upper interval. Does
Yeah.
that make sense? It's like, so if
Yeah.
you were to minus the margin of error from the upper,
Yeah. No, I agree with you. I didn't realize
I believe that's how that works.
zero. So how you got that was you minus 0.029 minus negative 0.3. So yeah, so 32 makes sense. All right, that's good. I just wanted to understand how you got it.
Yeah, no, I don't blame you.
Okay, cool. So lower bound is negative 0.03.
Look. Spencer? Spencer,
Hello?
this is I'm in the canyon. Hey, I've got a guy here that can pass his fit test, so he can't wear a respirator. You guys need him? Do you want to come get him?
All right. So for the next one, for 18, I have A. Yeah, let me double check that.
Hubert Keith. I'm just gonna go take him to get his lock
I
off
have him.
at this trailer.
What do you guys have?
You want to send someone? All right.
Zach.
I'll take him.
Okay. Thanks for coming. Appreciate that.
Wait, I'm sorry. What did you guys get for the lower and the upper bound?
Negative 0.003 and then for the lower, for the upper, I got 0.029.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, but okay. I just need to make sure that's right. And then for the
got
margin,
that?
you guys got a 0.033,
0.033.
right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. T-test, I got 1.458.
$1.45. Hang on, wait. The test value is the Z value. I got 1.458.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yeah.
And then the p-value is 0.145.
No. 0.145.
Hey, just so you guys know, I jumped on.
Cool, man.
Hey, good to see you, man.
You guys, this looks ridiculously massive. I hate it already.
Yeah.
Like, what the heck is this? All right, that's all I gotta say. I'll stop my comments.
Okay, man. I feel that way too.
Yeah, we're kind of all on the same boat, man.
So we failed to reject.
Thanks.
So it is this. So I got A, then no, I failed to reject. No, that's not right.
Is it?
Actually,
It's the very last.
one. Sorry.
Yeah.
You almost got me with that A.
Hey,
That's a A. Hey, we're on 21.
I know, I'm there, but are you guys sure it's?
Yeah.
The last one? No, I failed to reject the. No, the.
Yeah, it's got a p-value that's greater than the hypothesis. Reject. We failed to reject.
Then level 6.
Yeah, no, that one's good.
I don't know why my freaking thing is having trouble saving answers.
Panic inducing. All right. We're gonna need.
How many points is this worth? I'm thinking about just throwing the test. The quiz.
I don't know.
Like, seriously, I gotta get up. Like, I know we all do. Like, I get up at 5 in the morning. I just got home, and it's like, oh, my kids are going to bed. It's like,
Oh, yeah, I actually have to I actually have to hop off like in about 10 minutes or so because I have another class.
let's see.
Okay. All right. So for question 22, then we're going to use the chi-square. Right?
Yeah, that's not one. No. I'm just getting all the data over right now.
Okay.
All right, fine. Well, I don't know if this is right, but test statistic. I was gonna add 6.579.
What is it?
6.579.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's what I got.
That's not what I got. What did I do wrong?
Maybe we did wrong. Wow.
Wouldn't that be rounded up to 6.58?
Well, there's 3 decimals, right?
So I got 86.634. That's what I got.
So did you type in your numbers? Like, which way did you do it? Did you do 2 rows or did you do 4 rows?
I did 4 rows. Sorry, I did 4 columns, 2 rows. Just like the. What was that? Okay, that's gonna have. I didn't put the data just like it shows. Let me look at this.
Yeah, I did too, though.
I think you might have inputted just something. Did you key just one of the numbers wrong?
That's what I'm looking for. Did I do that? Oh, you know what I didn't do? That's what I didn't do. Okay. I didn't hit enter on one of the cells. So it didn't clock it. Okay. So I now have what you guys have, which is a normal number. So like that's super high. I don't remember it being that high.
Pretty funny.
Okay, good news for me.
Hey guys.
What's up,
Yeah.
Casey?
Hey, just a quick question, because I mean, I'm gonna be leaving here soon for my other class. So I'm gonna finish this up later. But regarding the what's it called, the study that we're doing, what do you guys need from me specifically so I can get that done?
We don't have it approval yet, so right now we're on holding pattern.
Oh, it's still not approved?
I think he. Remember, he said, and I sent you guys what he said, so I think it's pretty much approved. It just needed correction because he didn't say that it was. And you guys saw what I sent him back, so just today actually.
Yeah, we need to have 30 sample boxes, right, instead of 10. So we need to each buy 6 boxes.
Yeah. And I think other than that, he'll approve because he didn't say it was like bad. He just didn't like certain things, and he doesn't know who Walker is.
Yeah, seriously.
Okay. So I should get 4 more boxes then, and then
start counting.
Start counting.
Start eating some Lucky Charms.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, and just for everybody, everybody's aware, I'm going to take over I'll collect the data this week. So once you're finished, just email information to me, and I'll post the collect the data sheet on Google Docs so that we can all kind of have access to it. Or I'll try to get that sent out to you guys tomorrow on that Google Docs sheet so you guys can input the data that you guys collect later. So we can get this submitted.
What we're doing is we're just counting how many marshmallows there are per ounce on a box like a charm, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
And then, oh gosh, what was I going to say? When is this due by?
The collected
Saturday.
data is due Saturday.
Is due Saturday?
Yeah.
God.
If somebody has issues, like something comes up, family emergency, let us know, and then we'll buy it. You know, we can split up extra boxes and do all that counting. So,
Do you guys? One question. Do you guys want to do? Should we do more than that? I just put 30 boxes because I had not talked to you guys, but we could do more just to be safe if you guys want to.
30 is the number that represents N for most of the studies that we do. So I'm fine with 30.
Yeah, I'm good with 30 as well.
Yeah.
And I don't know I don't think I want my kids to have more than 6 boxes of Lucky Charms.
Yeah, my wife. My wife's not gonna let me in. We're gonna throw ours away. She said so.
Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. Well,
Oh, come on, Diogenes, live a little.
I'm gonna get going. Is there any way that you guys can message me a link afterwards?
Yeah, I'll email it out to you.
Yeah,
Okay,
man. We'll get it out to you in 3 hours when we're done.
If I finish my class within an hour, I'll go ahead and just come back to you guys and just if you guys are still on.
That's the last hour.
Okay, and then again, if I'm missing anything, just let me know. But I'll do my study, and I'll send it over to you.
Sounds good, man. Thanks.
Cool. Hey, thanks, guys.
You get it?
Hey, see ya. Bye bye. Good luck on the test too.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay. 24 is, I got the last one, right? No, the p-value is less than, no.
Hey,
it's
sorry,
greater
guys.
than.
Greater.
I was kicked out.
I wonder where you were at. So, you were pretty quiet for the last little bit.
So did you get it?
What was that?
4?
We're on, we're on 24. I got D.
Let me see. Yeah. Did you guys get 0.87 for 23?
Yeah.
Okay. Why am I-
0.087.
Now, why am I back? Okay, never mind. Do you guys are on 24 already? Okay.
This is what where is that? So I got D for the last one.
Yep.
Because the null hypothesis is that they are independent. So insufficient evidence that they are not independent. Okay.
I concur with that.
Okay.
Hey, let Welder know they get back in there.
Okay.
Okay.
This one. Let's see where I'm at. This is which. Okay, so 20% is 40, 200, 2.
0.2.
What did I do wrong this time? Oh, that's right. That's what I did wrong. I got, for this one, the lower bound is 0.190.
Yeah. 0.310 for the upper bound.
Yep. Anybody disagree?
Nope, not at all.
Okay. All right.
Ooh, the
So how
sound.
did you get that?
What was that?
How did you guys get that answer? Those answers for the conference intervals.
Okay, so according to the information they gave us, right? I went to one proportion.
Yeah, I'm on it right now.
Okay, so they took a random sample of 200 people, so that's N. And then of those 200 people, 50 of these outperformed the Dow Jones, so that's 50. The confidence interval we can see is 95, or at least 95. The null hypothesis is going to be the recently noted of the 20%, so that's 0.20.
Yeah.
Does it make
Okay,
sense?
so 0.190 and then 0.310.
Mm-hmm.
Is that what you got?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Cool.
Now this one we have to do that equation. That's weird. Again. How did I close out of that? Suck. Oh no, it's here.
Hey,
This
that
one-
question is nowhere in our sheet, not on this sheet, right? Because I'm trying to do it on the equation
No, it's not. You have to input the stuff in.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
So-
okay. So I'm going back to the one I did a while ago. That's the same thing, isn't it? From like lesson 9 or something.
Well, they changed up the equation, so the number is the z score, which the one we'd want is 1.96.
1.96.
I think that's 1.96 divided by m, which is going to be 0.02. And then you square
And then
root
you-
that answer.
And then you add the 1.96 again. Is that right?
No, you don't add it. And then it's p instead of z. It's p. This number.
0.295.
Oh yeah. Here it is. Yeah.
And then it's going to be 0.2 times 1. So I got 15. So 1536.6. But with this margin of error numbers, I mean, with
You
the
round it
numbers
up,
that you always round it up. So 1537 is what I got.
Yeah, that sounds good.
So you're doing that equation plus and minus, right? Or what equation are we doing right here?
What equation? Okay, so
Yeah.
if you go to, I think it's lesson 17 review.
Okay.
Lesson 17. It's going to be the very last thing, equation it talks about, like those last few equations, is if it wants to get a certain margin of error, how many people does it need to test for that n? And so that's the equation that we're running.
Okay, and what did you get for the question? The answer for 28?
15.
37.
37.
1537?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Well, it's actually 1536.
0.6.
0.6. Yeah, but
0.6, you have to round up.
Yeah, but you always round up. Yeah, that's right. Okay, cool. That makes sense.
So then for this one, I got E. On for 29.
sorry, I have not looked at it.
No, you're good.
I was just texting my wife that's upstairs, putting the kids to sleep and complaining about this quiz.
You're such a deadbeat dad. It's crazy.
Yeah, I would say E.
E. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, I know you probably do your complaining hours, but let me tell you one more thing. Like, quizzes are normally 15 questions. I feel like I did not see this coming at all. I don't know if anyone knows that 40-question quiz. Like,
You're getting bulldozed tonight right here.
at least we only have 12 more questions. So.
Value of the test statistics. So I got the value for my test statistic is 1.768. Anybody get something different?
I haven't even done it yet.
That should just be the inputs that you're putting in.
What did you guys do on 30 again?
What was that? 30?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Sorry.
I got A. I know it's A.
Hey, okay. That's what I had. Okay. Just want to double check.
That's taken out of the review.
Yeah.
So wait, what was 30?
A.
Hey.
Yeah, okay, that's what I thought, 'cause it's 10. Okay.
Did you get 2, 5, 4?
Did you guys get 1.768 for test statistic?
Yeah.
Okay.
0.25 for the p-value?
Nope. I got 0.039.
Yeah. same here.
Did you change the type of test to greater than?
No.
Do that.
0.039?
Yep.
So we reject the null.
Yes. I would take that.
So it'd be D.
I got A.
Hey.
Sorry, A.
Hey.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I knew that. Sorry.
No, it's that little yeah. The wording on these things is complex.
I knew it was yes. I just wasn't thinking. Okay.
Was that 33 you guys just did, or are you further along than that?
Nope, 33.
33.
I feel like we should be at the end, and we still have so many questions.
Let me back up and make sure I got the correct. What did you guys have for the p-value on that one? 32. I had to break off for a minute there.
0.039.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Cool.
Okay, blue
This is-
score. Holy crap. So we're going to use...
You got to pull up the other spreadsheet for this one.
Yeah, you do.
I think
Give me
these-
one sample.
Yeah, it's going to be the one sample T test. Hang on. Is it T?
No, you're right.
I got to get the right one on here.
Okay. I got 0.282 for lower. And upper got 0.293.
Two 9.293. That's what I got.
Yeah.
On your upper.
Lower. Yeah, upper,
Oh.
sorry. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
And freedom, statistic 0.295.
So the degrees of freedom is 99.
Yep. Degrees of freedom 99, p-value 0.006.
Okay. Negative 2.803.
2.803, yeah. And 0.006 is the p-value.
Yeah. All right. What?
Did you guys on number? So for test statistic, 1.98,
Which one?
37.
No, we got negative 2.803.
Oh, how did you guys do that? I don't. I think I'm just losing my mind, guys. I'm really just.
So
It's on the one sample t-test.
Guys, don't worry about it. Let's just move on. I don't need to understand right now.
okay, hey, just so you know, you don't put that in the p-test. You use the other the other data sheet. You use the quantitative. That's your difference, man. So you're using the other spreadsheet.
You're using the quantitative
inference. Yeah, that's what we're using to get those scores, because this, again, back to the data is quantitative. So the data here is we're ranking it, scoring it. So
yeah, so I'll do that. That's what I did.
Yeah. So I'm sure you did it right. You just put it in the wrong spreadsheet.
What did you get for 36 on the degrees of freedom? Make sure I'm right on that.
Should be 99.
99? Yeah.
We can move on.
Okay, cool.
What did you guys get on 37, guys?
That's the negative 2.803.
Good, thank you.
Okay, I got A for 39.
Yeah.
Okay, this one.
And this is the quantitative. This is quantitative data. So we keep to the.
Two proportion. Yeah, would it be the two sample or the? Yeah, it would be two sample, right?
I did paired, because if we
Did you
measure
pair?
one kid, we have to measure that other kid. Like it's a paired sample data.
Oh, you're right. Because of the difference. Yeah, you're right. Sorry.
You know what? That makes me want to switch my answer from earlier today. Up higher up.
Start school at the end of the month. Yeah, well, they're almost done. This class. Just finished enrolling yesterday. You'll probably hear these guys. Right.
So for lower bound, I got 8.728. Is that what you guys got?
Yep, that's what I got.
And then 10.455.
You guys get something different?
I am not done.
Okay.
Test statistic. What did you guys get for the test statistic?
I got 22.446.
What did you put for the null?
Oh, that's a good question.
It's not.
It should be
it's on the
zero.
null. Zero, right? So we got
Should
no
be
other.
What I can remember, the null for these is always going to be that one's going to equal the other. So it's going
Yeah,
to be
exactly.
zero.
So 22.446.
Hey guys. Sorry. For 48.728
Yeah.
and 10.4 554. Yeah, 554 41.
Yep.
Awesome.
Degrees of freedom's 44.
You guys are
What?
44. I'm not there yet.
Oh no, I said degrees of freedom is 44.
I got
Right?
40.
Yep. Oh, that's what. Let me go back to my actual Excel doc. It's probably 40. Yeah, you're right. It is 40. I just thought
Pretty
it was
good
wrong.
40. All right.
Yeah, sorry. And p-value. What did you guys get?
I got 0.000.
Yeah, because it's less than, right?
Yeah, it's way off there.
Guys, back on 42. You guys you get 22.46? 446?
Yep.
Okay. And 04, you guys just hit 0 for 44, right? Yeah, okay. I'm back.
Last one. I got C.
Yep.
Yes,
just
because
to
we
double check,
rejected.
you guys got 1, right?
What was that?
For the p-value, you got 1, right?
No,
I
I
put
thought we-
0.
Yeah.
What did you get? You kind of
Wait, what was the disagreement?
On the p-value.
I'm just checking for the p-value.
The p-value is not 1.39 because there's that E at the end with negative 24.
It's like basically zero. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. I'm just confused. Yeah, sorry.
I'm sending this out here.
Okay. I think we.
All right, that's him.
You stay busy, man.
Well, I got a few wrong on that. I submitted mine, but I'm gonna have to
Go back.
jump off and try to get these in the next little bit here. So, but I think it was like a high B or something.
Yeah,
Not a big deal. Yeah, something like that. So, okay, everybody buy your cereals. I wish I could stay a little longer.
Okay.
Just support them yourselves and eat it at night with your wives or whatever. So,
Sounds
okay,
good, man.
anything else?
Thanks, man.
We'll send you our stuff for our cereal counts. So
I think he's gonna put it on a Google Sheet so we can just input it in.
perfect. Awesome. Oh, sounds good. Thanks for all the help and me bouncing around this evening. I appreciate it.
See you, man.
Man, that's the one I thought I got.
You
Yeah,
guys-
sounds good, man.
Hey, which one did you guys get wrong so that I know from when I started?
Okay, I got 6 wrong.
When I started, let me see when I started with you guys, when I jumped on.
Okay. So I got
12, question 12.
3. I changed my answer for question 5. It was independent test samples. I changed it back to paired samples. So I got question 2. Sorry, question 3. 6, 9, 10, 11, 15.
What do you have for 15.032?
Yeah, that's wrong.
What? So was that right on the what I was thinking it was?
You honestly, I think you were right because the margin of error. We should have. Yeah, I think I did it wrong. I think you're right because what I was doing was I was forgetting about the middle number. So there needs to be a middle number that you add or subtract from that middle number, and I did it wrong. So I think you were right.
How were you saying to do it, Graham?
So it's like we always do it. What you do is you take the average of both the confidence intervals, the lower and upper, and then you subtract whatever the average is from either of them to get the answer.
Yeah, I did it wrong. Graham did it right. So that's
because all you did was subtract it, right? Exactly.
Yeah. So what it should have been was 0.095.
Well, wait, was that the average in between the two, or was that the?
That was after I subtracted.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. So yeah, go with Graham.
Anyways, I got all the ones wrong pretty much that you got wrong. So
yeah.
So I guess we can go, if you guys are willing, we can go through it more, or I don't know, whatever you guys want.
I'm good because I didn't jump on until question 12, guys. So
well, I mean, Graham, what do you want to? Did you want to stay longer or not?
I'm fine with staying longer because I want to learn how to do those first problems. We missed a lot of them.
That's primarily what we missed. Yeah, so I'm fine with that too.
I don't understand them, so
I thought I did, and I do not. So.
So if we can understand them together, that'd be awesome because then I don't have to worry.
Yeah, that works for me.
And if they're not on the test, I'm gonna be pissed. But you know, whatever.
No, they're going to be on the test. He said that they're going to be on the test, and we've been being quizzed with them. Man, I thought I had this down because I've gotten all the ones I think so far right on these quizzes.
Really?
Yeah, but work and exam. All right, so I'm starting the quiz again. I'm just going to do it like I normally do it. This off to the side.
My freaking test wigged out though. I don't know what happened.
All right. So one. I think I might just start from the very bottom and just put in the stuff that we got right. So that there's so much of it. And that's all input data. And then go back and focus on the stuff we got wrong.
That sounds good.
And then Diogenes, where did you meet up with this so I can help you
12.
out?
I started at
Okay.
12.
Okay. All right. So you're
Which is good because most of the ones you guys missed were before that, right?
yeah, a lot of what I missed was before that.
Yeah, I'm just filling in the ones I got right now. So
Zach, you could probably cut off the recording now. I think since it's gonna be
Honestly,
like
I
2 hours
don't.
long.
I just looked at this. We don't even need